Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a new application called VibeSpectra. This is the application. You can see the icon. This is an application which is a universal. It's developed for iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. So once you buy it, you can install on all your devices. Once you click on the application, you can see there is a menu. Okay, this application is a reference tool for rotating machinery, and it includes all the components of the rotating machinery, and it shows you the spectrum of different components based on different faults and different features of the component. For example, let's look at each one. If you have rotor imbalance, different type of imbalance, you can see static, coupled, and dynamic, overhung imbalance, and for each one you can see the spectrum, how it appears in your vibration spectrum, and this is I should tell that okay, this is mostly for vibration spectrum. And then, for example, the misalignment. In the misalignment, as you can see here, you have parallel misalignment, angular, and general misalignment, and for each one it shows all the harmonics and the spectrum type that you can see in your vibration. For gears, again, we have different subcategories. First, it shows the healthy gear. It shows the gear with the tooth wear and other type of faults. It shows sideband, what kind of sidebands and what kind of gear mesh frequencies and harmonics you can see in your vibration signal. The rolling element bearing, first you can see what is the rolling element bearing, what are the main fundamental frequency, what are the equation and the definitions, and then you can see for the spectrum for cage fault frequencies, for roller components, and for inner race and outer race components, and for each one, as you can see here, it shows the sideband and the harmonics corresponding to the type of the fault for roller. And another one, as you can see here, is fault progress stage. It shows that a different stage of the progress of your fault in the bearing, you see the change in the spectrum, so you can kind of diagnose your bearing based on this spectrum that you can see in the vibration. Well, the other components is for journal bearings, different features, oil whirl, and the wear in the bearings. You can see here the spectrum, type of spectrum, the looseness and bend shaft, and for each one, as you can see, we have all the definitions and how the spectrum and components will appear. So this is a very perfect and good tool for learning the basics of the rotating machinery with the different type of fault. Also, when you come to help, you have a vibration glossary that you can search through that and see the definition of the different terms in vibration analysis. Well, this application, as I mentioned, is a universal app. So once you get this application, so you can install on your iPhone if you have, or iPod Touch. So you don't need to buy separately for all of them. You can just have one license purchased and install on all your devices. Also, it's available for Androids. If you go to Android market and search for VibeSpectra, you can see that application available there. Also, I can show you here something else that I use AirPlay by Apple, that you can connect your iPad wirelessly to your monitor or TV or any projector. So you can use in the classroom and to teach the students or technicians all these features of the machine and the components and the spectrum using this application. It's a very useful tool for training, and we are going to add more features and more spectrum for more components of rotating machinery, and it will be updated. It will come as update for your application, and all updates are free for this application, and you will get free updates in future. Well, that's it. For more information, you can go to the website www.motionics.com, and you can purchase this application from the App Store. Thanks.